Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Chaudhry Kitchen. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today we will be making a weight loss drink. So I'll guide you through the ingredients right now. I have here half a lemon cut up into pieces, 2 inches of bitter melon. I have a tablespoon and a half of aloe vera gel, 20 to 25 pieces of mint leaves, half teaspoon of carom seeds, a quarter teaspoon of rock salt, and an inch of ginger cut up in half. And I have 400 milliliters of cold water. So now we're gonna get started. So now we're gonna be adding the lemon. We're gonna add the bitter melon, aloe vera gel, mint leaves, carom seeds, rock salt, and ginger. And last but not least, we're gonna be adding cold water. So we're gonna blend this all up now. Our drink is ready. This drink not only helps with weight loss, but it also helps with detoxifying your body. You should be having this drink in the morning on an empty stomach, or if you guys prefer, you can have it before you go to bed. My mom has been trying this drink for 2 weeks now and she already lost 6 pounds. So this is why I'm sharing this recipe with you guys. It's super effective and it really works. Please try it out and let us know. If you guys like the recipe, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit your bell icons for more notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.